Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disable Cortana permanently in Windows 10. First way would be to right-click on the Start or Windows icon right here and click on the Run option. From here, we are going to type in gpedit.msc. Once you have typed that in, just click on OK, and this window on Local Group Policy Editor should pop up. From here, we can expand it right at the middle of this divider, and you can also maximize it. And once we're here, we select the administrative templates from the options at the left part of this window. Click on the little arrow to expand it, and from here click on Windows Components. We expand it again. We are looking for the folder that says search, so it's right here. And once we look at the files inside it, we can see Allow Cortana. We can double click on it and click on Disabled right here. Click on Apply and click on OK. And that should disable the Cortana app. The second way would be to right click on the Start icon again and click on Run. And what we're going to type in is regedit. Once you have typed that in, click on OK. You might be asked to say yes, and this registry editor should open up. I'm just going to maximize it and close the folders I have previously opened. And we're going to expand HKey local machine, expand the software folder next. From here, we find the policies folder. It's right here. Just expand it. And we're looking for the Microsoft folder right here. And under it is a Windows folder. We select the Windows folder, and at the blank space right here, we right click on it, click on New, and click on Key. We are going to name it as Windows Search 1. So right there. And once we have done that, we right click inside the folder, click on New, and click on dword32 value. And we're going to type in Allow Cortana. Make sure that you typed it exactly the way I typed it, with the capital letter A and capital letter C, and the other are lowercase letters. Just hit enter to make the file, and we right click on the file, click on modify, and make sure that the value data is set to 0, because if it's set to 1, that means that we're enabling it, and if it is set to 0, that means we are disabling it. And that is how you can basically disable Cortana permanently in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.